Read these tips to become skilled at affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a very exciting business venture that anyone can enter into for their business. However, for a beginner, using a good affiliate program can be a tad bit tricky. So what should a novice do to learn how to use affiliate marketing? Well, read the tips in this video to start with. Pay for a professional logo. It's worth the investment to look put together and professional. If your web page and logo look like you did it yourself on a Saturday night after dinner, your customers will notice, and they may not want to put their faith or money in the hands of someone who doesn't look like they know what they are doing. First impressions count. Affiliate marketing is not just for people who know how to build websites. If you can write well, know how to promote products in a fun, interesting way and like to make extra money, then affiliate marketing can help you when you really need it. All you need to do is get permission from the company that you are interested in to sell their product. As an affiliate, checking on your visitors, sub-affiliates, and sales totals is all very important information to know. The company you choose to offer your affiliate services to should have a thorough list of statistics they voluntarily offer to you. You must track of your entire campaign, otherwise, it isn't worth putting one together. Do not agree to any kind of an exclusivity agreement. It will eliminate your ability to jump on new opportunities that may prove to be more profitable to you. There are several affiliates that do not have this restriction, so if you come across one that does, move on to the next. Learn how to create an ebook about your affiliate marketing product to add value to your product and build your circle of potential customers. It's easy to create an ebook, and you can offer it to potential clients in exchange for their names and email addresses. In this way, you will build a list of people who have expressed an interest in your product and will be happy to hear more about it. Now you should be able to see why affiliate marketing can be such an exciting business venture. There is so much work and promotion you can do to help your online business get more traffic, customers, and sales. With these tips in mind, you can start marketing like a real pro. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.